Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up in Elsa Speak. So, what you need to do is go ahead and open Elsa Speak on your phone. Wait for a while as Elsa Speak is loading on your phone. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on your profile section, and you can see that you are not logged in and you are logged in with your guest account. Tap on it and click sign up. As you can see, this is the sign up portal. Let me show it to you once again how you can sign up, guys. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, go to your profile, go to this section over here, tap on this arrow and click sign up. Now write down your name, write down your email address, and choose a password for yourself. After that, click sign up. As you can see, you are registering and Elsa Speak has got access to your account, and now you can start learning English. So this was a video on how you can sign up in Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.